You may now take your seat. Thank you, Mrs. Josephine C. Lai. Now, to welcome us all and share in the joy of this celebration, let us give a warm round of applause to our student principal, Mrs. Arlene L. Pudia.
Thank you, Sir Nick. Later. Okay. Na ako tayo makita ng mga katawan na naas ako at umbangan. To our beloved and distinguished guests, of course, our Sangguniang Kabataan, Chairman of Barangay Banilan, Chair Ethan Mamo, good afternoon. And of course, kauban niya ang iyang mga honorable counselors. Hindi na lang ka muna kitagsa-tagsa and of course, to all our dedicated teachers. O ang atong mga proud parents. And our honored students. Para ninyo, kining hapon ng kasaulugan natin. Good afternoon and welcome to our Recognition Rise 2026. We culminate this day, of course, because of your hard-earned accomplishments. To all of you, our student awardees, excelling in the academics and even in the non-academic